'31, '32, and '33. Thank you. Now let's meet our contestants. Who is this hottie?
Hi, my name is Holly. I'm an OSU student and I love bike riding and pets.
And you, sir?
My name is Harley. I work at First Bank. I'm an accounts manager.
And you, sir? I'm sorry, we have to get started. First question. Is it legal to change lanes at an intersection?
No, it's not legal.
That's correct.
I didn't know we had a buzzer.
Next question. If you're in the passing lane being pulled over by the police, should you pull over to the left-hand or the right-hand side?
Left.
Ooh, I'm sorry.
Right.
Right.
That is correct. Our final question. Is it legal to park in a handicapped spot with no signpost?
No.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yes, it's legal.
Judges?
It is legal, but you shouldn't do it out of courtesy.
That's correct. Judges say Holly is our winner. Well, we haven't forgotten about our other contestants. Chuck, tell them what they've won.